everyone!
Welcome to Everyday Essentials. Today it's going to be a short review about these three types of product. Talcs powder by Oriflame. As you can see, there are three types of powder here. We'll discuss one by one. Let's see the pink one first. Take a look at this. Pink one is floral blue. It has rose and rose geranium essence. Actually, we have been using these three products from the last week. So they are really good, they're really nice, and especially this pink one. I really like it and it has calm and pleasant smell. We'll see the yellow one as well. Yellow one. Take a look at this. It is sandal caress. It has sandal and jasmine smells. Mostly sandal fragrance is more here, and it is very similar to the sandal product in the market. We'll see the blue one now. Blue one. Take a look at it. So blue one is Cooling Delight. It has mint and lavender smell. So it has slightly cooling effect actually. It is very good for a person who has more sweat, and it is preferable to use in the summer.
I have your question for you.
Okay.
Which one is your favorite?
My favorite is the pink one because I really like the smell, and also it's calm and pleasant to put in. Thank you so much for watching, and don't leave yet. We have small giveaway to announce. As you can see here, a set of product here: green soap bar, sandal powder, and Jordani body spray. All you have to do is you have to subscribe our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram, and send both the screenshot along with your name, phone number, and postal address to connect.everydayessentials@gmail.com.
We will select the winner randomly and we will announce the winner on January 15th, 2021, and we will send these products by courier. Thank you so much for watching. See you again. Bye.
Sorry.
I have it. Oh, sorry.
All essential and it smells so light, cooling effect. It smells like cooling effect.